how did the situation with you and Popcaan really kick off now?
Okay. With him now,
Mm-hmm.
the thing is, him is just a spoiled kid where, you know, when you have a tenement yard, you have some picnic in there where no matter what them do, them just prefer them. And then you have some picnic in there like me where them, no matter what the good me do, them still not like me. I saw it is in the game. So I was one of the child them in a music where them don't like. Most of them don't like. And then most of them then tell them nothing like me. See it? And then him was one of the child where anything in do, they accept it. Me no want to talk out nothing, but I'm out of thing when me see this man doing a music industry and them take it.
Mm-hmm.
See it? So him was that spoiled one. So him just feel like them spoiled, so him can just diss anybody and them have to take it. Because if you diss him back, then the industry got turn against you.
Yeah.
See it? So when me see my boss and me see Adi a boss him, me feel good for him because me I say, yo, me know how hard it is for me to even try to keep up my career and as a artist I try. So if you see a young artist a boss, me happy for him even though at the other side him depend. So Killer now, me and Killer did go up on tour 2008.
Mm-hmm.
Killer forward back and say him a go to Japan and say, yo, next time me carry a Japan, man. See? After that, Killer did say him a go to Trinidad.
Mm-hmm.
See? I think about a year after, or a year and a half after. Say him a go to Trinidad. I think a year or a year and a half after. Sometime after. But anyway, him say him a go to Trinidad. I'm say, you want forward? I'm say, yeah man, me a forward, yes. Me nah nothing to do. Boom, we dep on the plane. Before we reach on the plane, me say Adi and Sizzla in the airport.
Mm-hmm.
Adi sit down over there, so Sizzla sit down over there up on the same seat. And the two of them sit down and not talk to each other. Two of them sit down and so me I want to go sit down too. I mean end up the dog sit down in a middle. But then me see them.
Mm-hmm.
If I Sizzla alone, me just sit down, but you me see him there. Me just go so boom and just down by the sit down and me just yell up Sizzla. And him there right there, so I mean I say nothing to him. And me yell up Sizzla. And so I go and dada him say I'm there. I me yell up Sizzla and walk away. See? When we go so boom and walk away, we go in a plane. So when we in a plane now, I get ready to take off. Lisa Hype, she end up that Lisa Hype, she get a seat right side of which me say a 3 seats, so is one youth were in an alliance entourage member, and Lisa Hype now. Me have the window seat, Lisa Hype have the middle seat, and the youth have the end seat. Lisa Hype I say, me don't want to sit down side of him. So she asks the youth in an alliance to give her the end seat because she don't want to sit down side of me.
Mm-hmm.
And the youth give her the end seat. And he must say, why you don't want to sit down side of him? She say, me don't like him. Me don't say nothing.
Mm-hmm.
He turn up that Popcaan, him sit down in the seat in front of we. And him look back and him say, oh, look what Lisa sit down. Look what Lisa sit down side of her. And him a laugh. Yeah, look what Lisa sit down side of her. So me there and me I say, oh, I there I read my book and me I say, I saw the artist there. I saw a dog go on. Jaja, sure. Me I say to myself, I saw him did still. Jaja, think a man militant. You see me? Anyway, me didn't happy for him anyway. Because I'm a boss. I'm happy for him. Because boom, I reach at the hotel. We reach at the hotel now and stay. So boom, man. Me see them bro, the pool side. You see, because I walk, I go to the pool and see Lisa Hype see my, she see me and she run to him and say, Papi, he might come. I run to Papi, he might come. I say some little bit to them and I start laugh. See, I see them go so boom and take with themselves. Anyway, you see, Cartel in a car park and him walk past me. Trinidad with there, you know. But before that, them never let through Bounty Killer through the airport. And me I say, yo, if them not let through Bounty Killer, not let through me either. Me no want forward. See? Not let me through either. If you not let through with General. Them Bounty Killer entourage just say at airport, this, you know. Trinidad, this, you know, want this door, yo, low it. I mean, I say, yo, but them have to send me back too. If them have to send back a General, them say, low it. Go back when a time for you, go back by your ticket. Say, all right. So it end up that we never got the show. A cartel got the show and him bring them and them go lock the show. Because Killer never got the show, so I didn't even bother go. So I just there at the hotel and then the next day we fly out and come back to Jamaica. So that was the first time I see him try to style me. Oh, sorry, I look at Lisa sit alongside. So after that now, we there on a Johnny Wonder studio that a Apilus building. So we there around there, and I see him walking with some man, and me and my two brethren sit underneath the mango tree. So the man walk past and say, "Oh, them China looking post there." And walk close to me, you know, like he want bounce me and say, "I'm China looking post there." And walk off. And my friend them say, "Yo, Popcaan go on so." I say, "Me no know any better." So him there and him go heal up Versi and Romish and him go sit down side of them. And me there and I say, "Oh, where the youth are going with, man?" Then me walk, I say me a cut, so I walk go heal up Versi and I go heal up Romish and him sit down side of them and I even heal him because I say, "Yo, Jaja." See? Walk when now, jump on my bike and my brethren them jump on them bike and we cut and them, my brethren them there cuss. I say, "Yo, Popcaan, if you know, I want to think, Ray. I say, "Love it, man. I treat him hot right now. That's why I'm going to go on so." You see me? Him hot right now, so he probably flat busting I made. We all make mistakes when time we hot. You see me? Then we go some boom and Super Hype play up a Richie B gas station and Super Hype say, "Yo, link up." So I say, "I play 2 I song them." Him say, "Yeah. Link up and him there I play." When me look, me say, Chiching Ching, come heal me. And me say, Chiching Ching, walk, come heal me. But a man stand upside at Chiching Ching, I look for me. I bend up in face away. So I say, "Yo, Chiching Ching. I would have brother, you know him?" And Ching I say, "I'm a friend, man. I'm a friend. Everything cool, man. I'm a friend." And I say, "Your friend." So I don't like that energy how I get friend a brother. Yeah. So I start properly. I say, "You know what, I never move. I don't like that energy. Yeah. So as I jump on my bike now, a Popcaan that I see him and entourage him come surround my bike. And him stand up in front of my bike. And I say, "Yo, brother, I want to move out of the way, no dog, I want to. Move out of the way, brother." And them now move. I'm going to rev up the bike. And I see him go so and move and jump out of the way. And them times my head has to, you know, because my career now go on good, you know, my lad. See? And I say, "Oh, that boy, you do." And I get all mad too. And I say, yo. Yeah, man, we just set up a little studio in a which part I live. Richie Loop did help me set it up. See? Carry me go buy it, show me if I buy the thing them. And I just link on my dog and say, "Yo, send a rhythm." And I'm a little young producer. I say, "Yo, send a rhythm." And him send a rhythm. And I just sing a song and just listen. Chris Genius, them and Akam, them put up the song and everybody talk about the song. See? After that, him go sing a song for Andrew Black's rhythm. I say, "Talk if I forward you are. Talk if I forward you are. If you were so far, me we bust you up on me granny partner jaw. I use me ratchet and got out your jaw." And I say, "Yeah, boy, I feel say I'm bright, man. Him have heard to talk, man. Yeah, him feel say I'm bright, but I like this." So I go some boom and sing her next tune again. And then I wait for the man for answer. Because I say, yo, I straight to the top right now, you know, because him hot right now, you know, so he might call my name. No, sir. He might diss me. So people that say theme, if a comment as a theme song already. You understand? That this is a war song, Ray. But me, I say, if you do a war song, if I saw him want to take the war and do it pretty war, me do that too. You understand? More commercial. Yes, I'm willing for war. Any way the war I go. You see me? Me do that. But him somebody in him camp tell him say, yo, do answer Stein, we rub you out. Remember, you is not a war artist like Stein. Which is them don't know say me is not really a war artist. Me is just an all-round artist. Me can sing every different type of tune. It's just that the type of rhythm them when them a give me a war rhythm all the while because of that rhythm that my boss with. So that them who believe in me, that them believe say me can do every type of music. Me's a musician, brother. You understand? Every type of tune, every type of rhythm, every type of music me can do. Not just one or two type of song. Zin, so Gosa Boom now record next song, him not answer. Next song, him not answer. Me record a song named The War Start. See? Now me record a song then now. Song Bossa Trinidad. Bossa all over the place. CD mix everywhere. And that song that make people really, really know about the war between me and him. But what him a do now, him still a sing song, but him not him not really partaking of the war. Him just a true word. So a people were deep in the music we know say a Stein him a talking at the part of the song. And me we know a me a talking at the part of the song. But the world out there now know say is a little artist named Stein him a talk.
Got you.
So him do it in a way where him a style me, but him not do it for me boss. You understand? So the business we know say him a diss me, but him not do it for me boss. If him that do it for the war go on like that, me would have bust the real way. But we still would have get fight. Still, them would have push him over me still, but it still would have make my thing catapult far further. But him smart. Him never do that. Just like how Adi never paid Donia no mind when Donia I rub him out. You understand? Cause him could have war back, but him never do it because the level where him did depend at the time, him never wants to do anything reach this or so him never answer. You understand? Because him did that go really commercial. So him never do that. So the same thing with him, with Popcaan now, him a go really commercial. Only man she want them thing, him a go commercial. So if you go some boom now answer Stein couple time, and people go know say there's an artist named Stein where him a war with. Them people they go check out me different type of tune them now, and not just me war tune. Them go check out me girl song them go check and them go say, oh, him did sing them yeah. You understand? And then new song when me sing now, them go look out for them now, and me I go actually have a bigger fan base just because of him. But the theme management them really smart. So them direct him in the right way and show him say don't do that. Otherwise, you're going to make this man be a big artist. A real big artist. You make him ride your wave, ride off of your wave. Don't do it. And him listen them. That was really smart.
You did about 5 songs, this in Popcaan. About 5.
Yes, man. Because the man I go like him don't want answer, man. So I just have chop tune in him head, man. Because I say, hey boy, answer. Because I go like it no fears him, you know. You know, I know say it hurt him. When me one night, me and two of my brethren go down Wet Sundays. One party named Wet Sundays, see? And him did a try go in with a whole heap of entourage and whole heap of people. And them never let him in. Them turn him back. So when I go in a party now, I walk up push by him there. So when him turn around and make him sit. So him turn around and say, pussy. I'm pointing at my face. So I point back in my face and say, yeah, big up, pussy. You see me? And I say, be people surround him like them and protect him. And I say, be a man ready for war. And I just make them know, say, brother, I'm telling you this. You see me? I'm not afraid of people, you know. And anything you know I do, I just say, then no, brother. And then sister, me, it's serious, you know. Then sister, did you ready for it? Yes, it? Let me see. Then sister, me never business. And him say, allow him and walk away. I say, oh. He say, allow him and walk away. Walk going up the road. When time, him walk God now. a police brother come to me. Yo, Stein, how you not deal it? Wait. Me say, who know a police and who know dead? So I see one entourage. You say, I'm me and my two brethren there. So I want to see 30 man. Against we alone. I will never come and stop nothing. I went time me man them God now who not come and ask me. What not do? So when we never do that when time the whole man them there. When the man them God who not come to me, brother. Cool, man. Yeah.
All right. So you and Popcaan are in this thing right here where it's more like you're putting out the songs. He's not really answering, but he's doing 1 and 2 subliminals and stuff. So was there any resolve to that situation? How did that situation really get resolved, if it even got resolved at all?
It never get resolved, but Bounty Killer did say to me, say, yo, the Popcaan something there, leave it alone. Yeah, you need to stop that. And you don't know the general tell you something positive, you have to just work with it. Yeah, so Bounty say, general say, just slow that. You understand? Just leave the Popcaan up there alone and leave it alone. Plus, DJ Liquid, you see me? Picked up the disc jockey from Zip FM. And you don't know me respect DJ Liquid to the max. You understand? And DJ Liquid too. Make me know say, yo, leave that alone, Stein. The Popcaan's up there, you need to leave that alone too. So Liquid tell me, the general tell me. I want to tell you say Liquid tell me first. And I decide say, say, yeah man, Liquid say that, better me allow that. You see me? And then the general go tell me again, make it even stronger. You see me? Yeah. So me just allow that. Out of the respect what me have for Bounty Killer and DJ Liquid, me just say, all right, me allow it.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.